National Weather Service in Amarillo has
Here we go with another one.
Warning for northwestern Randall County,
Oh my!
eastern Oldham
My
County,
county!
northeastern Deaf Smith County, Potter County, until 7 p.m.
My
Central
county!
Daylight Time. At 6:07 p.m.
My
Central
county,
Daylight
guys.
Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Wilderate Hill, or 12 miles east of Vega, moving
My
northeast
county.
at 55 miles per hour.
Holy.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and
No
quarter-size hail.
help here, please.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to
Really, Amarillo?
and trees is possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations of hazards include Boyd Ranch, Wilderate Hill,
Nice.
Bushland, and Valley Dale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
My county.
Repeating, a severe
Great.
thunderstorm warning has been issued until
can
7 p.m. Central
scared
Daylight Time for the
The
following
heck out of me
counties
again.
in
Cool.
Texas: Deaf Smith, Oldham, Potter, and Randall.
Nice.